Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docens Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to explore how to learn English with your friends and family. Practicing with people close to you makes learning English more fun and natural, and it's a great way to build confidence. Let's go over some simple activities and tips to help you practice English with your loved ones. Let's get started. Tip 1. Play word games together. One of the easiest ways to practice English with friends and family is through games. Here are some fun ideas. Try playing Scrabble or word bingo in English. Create a game where you describe an object and others guess the word. Play Pictionary with English words to improve vocabulary. These games make learning interactive and keep everyone engaged. Tip 2. Watch English movies or shows together. Watching movies and shows in English can help improve your listening skills. Here's how to do it together. Choose a family-friendly movie or series and turn on English subtitles. Pause the video to discuss what's happening or to explain new words. Try to repeat lines or phrases that catch your attention. This helps everyone get used to hearing English in a natural context. Tip 3. Practice everyday conversations in English. Use daily conversations as practice opportunities with your friends and family. Here are some examples. Order food or ask for things at the table in English. Have a short chat in English about your plans for the day. Try greeting each other in English every morning. These small changes add up, helping everyone improve naturally. Tip 4. Use flashcards for vocabulary practice. Flashcards are a simple yet effective way to learn new words together. Here's how. Make flashcards with everyday words like apple or table. Quiz each other on vocabulary and give hints if needed. Use the new words in sentences to reinforce them. Flashcards make vocabulary learning quick and enjoyable for everyone. Tip 5. Create simple English challenges. Set fun English challenges to motivate each other. Here are some ideas. Challenge each other to speak only in English for 10 minutes. Pick a topic, like travel, and each person shares one sentence about it. See who can remember the most new words by the end of the week. These friendly challenges make learning English feel like a game. Quick review. How to learn English with friends and family. Play word games. Try Scrabble, Pictionary, or guessing games. Watch English movies or shows. Use subtitles and discuss new words. Practice everyday conversations. Speak English during daily routines. Use flashcards for vocabulary. Quiz each other and make sentences. Create simple English challenges. Set goals like a 10-minute English conversation. With these activities, you'll be able to learn English together with friends and family. Practicing in a relaxed environment makes it more enjoyable and less stressful, helping everyone improve their language skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docens Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and have fun learning together.